Today I'm going to show you how to change the entire page body background color in Elementor WordPress plugin. This is a great way to customize the look and feel of your individual pages and make them stand out with your brand colors or design preferences. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages. From the drop-down menu, select All Pages. This will show you a complete list of all the pages on your website. Now, take a moment to locate the specific page where you want to change the background color. Once you've found it, hover over that page and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Page Builder interface where you can make your design changes. After Elementor loads, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a settings icon, which typically looks like 3 horizontal lines or a gear symbol. Click on this settings icon to open the Page Settings panel. This panel gives you access to various page-level customization options that affect the entire page rather than individual elements. Inside the Page Settings panel, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Style tab to proceed. This is where you can control the visual appearance of your page's overall structure. Under the Style options, you'll see a section labeled Body. Click on Body to expand the body background settings. This section specifically controls the background appearance of the entire page body. Now you'll see different background type options available. Choose Classic as the background type. The Classic option allows you to set a solid color, which is exactly what we need for changing the page background color. Once you've selected Classic, a color picker icon will appear next to a field labeled Color. Click on this color picker icon to open up the color selection tool. You'll now see a color wheel or a palette of preset colors depending on your Elementor version. You can either use the color wheel to pick your exact desired shade by clicking and dragging on the wheel, or you can select from the preset colors if one of those matches what you're looking for. If you have a specific hex code for your brand color, you can also paste that directly into the color field. Take your time here to find the perfect color that matches your vision for the page. Once you've selected your desired background color, don't forget to save your changes. Look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the Save Draft button located right beside the Publish button. Click Save Draft to ensure your changes are properly stored. This step is crucial because if you navigate away without saving, all your color changes will be lost. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the entire page body background color in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.